Magic 89.9.
That's right, it is today's Best Music Magic 89.9. You're tuned in with JJ, and it is the Magic Hangout. And joining me are boys. This is a boys exclusive interview, diba? Yeah, pare, diba?
Oo nga, pare.
Sobrang walang babae. So, hi guys, how are you doing? It is now time to introduce yourselves. Let's start with CJ.
Hi guys, ako po si CJ Villavicencio. I'm so happy to be here together with, of course, sino ka? Ano ba pangalan mo?
Ako nga pala si Jaime Eliana.
Di Jaime?
Ako nga pala si Jaime Eliana. Thank you for having me. I'm joined by the one and only
Naz Gabriel San Juan from Antipolo City.
That's na siya. Ay, wag yan. Maririnig tayo sa...
Sorry.
So, yung magugulat yung mga nakikinig sa cars nila. Sabi lang,
Nagiging ano na to.
So, how are you guys? Sobrang aga ninyo. And earlier today, well, an hour before, we had like a bunch of kids over from LSGH. And part daw yun ng immersion nila. And nagulat ako, may ganun pala. Dati kasi wala namang ganun.
Yun yung nadaanan ko sa may
Nadaanan mo sila.
Nagkasya silang lahat, isa? Elevator?
Hindi, pagkalabas ko. Saan yung Magic 89 studio?
Parang field trip nila siya or like...
Para siyang immersion something, ano siya, ang sabi daw sa akin, what was it? It was based on their interests, and then apparently interest nila to, and then they got to know about
Lahat
it.
sila? Grabe.
Oo nga, di ba? So,
soon to be DJ JJ.
I think isa daw gusto daw maging lawyer para yumaman daw. So ko,
Ba't yun nandito?
sure ba tayo dyan?
I think masanak na contractor. Sorry.
Anyways, okay, that was a lot. And okay, let's do this. So we do fast facts, but before that, we are live over on Facebook.com/Magic899. Also on Twitch.tv/Magic899TV. And we have CJ, Jaime, and Naz, and it's time to do fast facts. So I had warmed them up a bit about some
Are you warm?
fast facts.
I think so. Are you warm? Cold right now.
Malamig ngayon. Okay, let's do this. What are your comfort foods? Let's start with Naz.
Oh my gosh. Comfort food? Sinigang na baboy na luto ni Lola. Kailangan luto ni Lola. Kasi iba talaga yun, bro.
Paano ang luto ni Jaime?
Iba yun. Homey. Very warm.
Very
homey.
Going sa probinsya with your lola, ganyan. Sunday night, no?
Exactly.
Oo.
Or kaya Saturday night after a party.
Sarap nun.
O kaya Friday morning, pagkabagising.
Tapos samahan mo ng soft drinks. Na alam mo yung baso na metal?
Wait lang.
Okay.
Tapos patis na may sili.
Okay. Hindi ako naglalagay ng patis daw. Pero
I
masarap.
can't relate.
Okay, this is the first time na somebody has mentioned their comfort food in detail. So iba kasi, street foods. Okay, I like
Shout out
it.
Lola.
Ako din naman, pwede naman sagot na may details eh. Gusto mo?
Hindi ko ano talagang comfort food mo. Sige,
Okay,
go.
Depende kasi sa cuisine.
Okay, cuisine.
Sige, kunyari pag Japanese, syempre boteju.
Okay.
Favorite ko yun
Sobrang
eh.
sarap nga doon.
Yung tempura nila, grabe. Tapos pag pag American, wing zone.
Wing zone.
American pala yun?
American kasi
Okay,
wings.
Pag cafe naman, ano gusto mo sa cafe?
Pag cafe, isa lang cafe pinupuntahan
Ano
ko
yun?
eh, Greyhound. Alam mo ba yun?
Grabe.
Wait lang.
Kotang-kota
Paano
na
pag dessert?
si Jaime.
Pag dessert, parang paper moon ako. I'll go for crepes.
Parang yogurino.
May tumatawag sa akin, okay na daw. Kota na daw kayo.
Ad placement.
Kota na daw kayo.
Lagyan niyo dito.
Hindi, pero yun talaga comfort food ko.
Yeah, honestly, boteju talaga.
Okay.
Promise. Masarap nga yung boteju. Kasi,
Mukha naman siyang seryoso.
yeah, Japanese kasi favorite kong cuisine. So,
Baka nga daw, daling ka na daw dun mamaya pagkatapos.
ay, pwede ba? Pwede.
Sige, CJ.
Ako, sige, since nasabi na niyo yung ating mga pinag-usapan kanina, ako, feeling ko, kung kay Naz sinigang, ako yung lutong spaghetti ng nanay ko. The best. I think she has perfected the formula of a good spaghetti na very
Good Filipino spaghetti.
Filipino-style spaghetti. Hindi siya yung Italian na
Ano siya,
very...
matamis?
Yung
Ganun.
asim, di ba?
Matamis, oo.
Matamis with the cheese and all.
May hotdog.
cheese. Oo, may hotdog.
May
Hotdog na pula. Dapat.
Yung hotdog na pula.
Ay, wala.
Ay, wala.
Walang hotdog na
More on ground pork.
ground pork. Ibigay mo sa akin, Naz.
I knew it.
So, ano yun?
Pagka
Nasa
nagigipit ka, ito tip ko para sa'yo.
Okay.
Baka di gumana, pero ako kasi pa nagtitipid ako sa spaghetti.
Okay.
Pag wala akong ground pork, kasi mahal na ng bilhin ngayon.
Ano, corned beef?
Corned beef!
Corned beef, masarap
Oh,
din.
may
ko pa
specific
natatry.
brand ako pero mamaya niyo kasi di ko kasama yun. Mamaya yun. Pero yun, corned beef,
Pero
yung
masarap
pwede
rin.
na
Talaga,
corned beef.
masarap
Oo,
talaga.
pwede
Try
na.
Luto nga mamaya.
Pero hindi yung buong corned beef.
Ay, oo, hindi. Ano mo siya? Isa-strands mo talaga, so pirituin mo.
Sarap
Nakagutom.
panalo yun.
Sige na nga, sige na nga. Okay, since ano tayo, puro mga lalaki tayo dito.
Gutom na ako.
Malaki lang.
Mamaya kakain tayo mamaya. Palibre sa ano, buti.
Ako na bahala.
Ako na bahala. Okay, ito, very boy question. What kind of person are you? Are you into physical sports or video games? So video games, pwede siyang computer, mobile, etc.
Sino una?
Si CJ na.
Sige, ako muna. Siguro ako, more on physical sports ako.
Oh.
Specifically, volleyball. Tapos, ewan ko, as a person, parang nagkaroon ako na madami ding eras of my life eh. Parang in 2023, ito ako, 2024.
Kailangan nag-start mag-volleyball.
Volleyball, high school. Opposite spiker.
Oh,
ako.
grabe, ang galing.
Patingin, paano yun? Ay, ganon.
Ganun ba sound effects sa volleyball?
Parang hindi naman kailangan may mouthing. Parang walang mouthing. Na nagagano. Yes. Pero dapat naka-project ka pa rin kasi may camera.
Tama.
Doon mo na sana eh. Doon mo na sana.
So volleyball lang.
Pero ngayon, more on pickleball ako ngayon.
yun
Uy,
yung
sobrang
sarap.
sikat na.
Oo nga, no?
Ba't mo kontrata ka
Ay,
ng DJ?
Kasi sinasabi ng iba, yung sports ng mga trentahin daw, gano'n.
Grabe. Ka na pala,
Grabe.
Jay.
Tama naman.
Tama. Okay, sige. Ikaw, Jaime.
Well, nung high school pa, naglalaro ng basketball.
Yun.
At Ultimate Frisbee sa Ateneo.
May plug ng school, sorry.
Kaso
Sorry,
recently,
Jaime. Sorry.
kaso recently, nagpe-video games ako kaso di na talaga pwede kasi na-addict ako. Like legit, kung na-addict ulit ako sa video games, hindi niyo ako makikita ng isang buwan.
Anong video
Sabi
games?
niya na kanina. Specifically, what game?
Na-addict ako sa COD Mobile.
Talaga sa puro cellphone games
Oo,
talaga.
grabe addict ko dun. Top 2 ako sa,
Di ba dapat
Sa buong mundo o sa Philippines?
well,
O sa-
ano siya, Asia. Kung naalala niyo pa yun, kung mga naglalaro nun during
Ano
pandemic.
yun, di ba? Pandemic yan.
Oo, pandemic. Na-addict ako sa mga Fortnite,
Shooting games
yeah,
talaga.
Valorant, yeah. So,
Okay.
grabe talaga. Di na talaga ako pwede. Like, dahil focus na ako sa work. Like,
Kasi feeling mo, once ma-start mo, mabababad ka talaga sa
oo,
Relax ka dun
ganun lang
talaga.
competitive kasi ako. Kailangan ako talagang the best. You know, sa mata ko.
Sorry.
sa mata ko dapat.
Kami lang to.
Relax ha, kami lang to.
Relax ka lang.
Kalma.
Okay, sorry.
Ikaw, Naz.
Ako naman both talaga. Like hindi ko talaga siya maano kasi yung video games ginagamit ko siyang parang outlet if I'm stressed.
Escape siya from reality.
Escape siya from reality. Siyempre, you enjoy You're like sitting there lang playing games, 'di ba? Yung story ng game ganyan.
So, mas ano ka, single player instead of multiplayer?
Single player, yeah.
Si Jaime,
Red
multiplayer.
Dead
Gusto mo
Redemption
nagbubuhat ka ng mga
2.
kakampi, no?
Multiplayer ako pero single.
Going on?
Wala si
Then
yun.
sports naman kasi before ako maging passionate sa pag-acting, I played sa UAAP season 82 in University of the East basketball. Yeah. So dati talaga buhay ko is I eat, breathe, sleep basketball. Ano naman ito mga to?
So, sanay ka na sa mga routine.
Yeah, routine
Very
talaga,
routine
discipline.
talaga.
Yun yung pinaka-nadala ko actually sa transition ko sa pag-acting, yung discipline talaga.
Okay. Well, that's amazing. Okay.
Good for you, bro.
Kahit late na ako kanina sa
So, di na nga natin binanggit eh.
Galing lang yan sa CR.
Oo, actually, medyo late nga siya kanina. Tapos biglang magsa-start na kami. Sabi,
Uy, hindi po naman mag-start.
pwede ba maglabas ng sama ng loob?
Last nangyari na.
Okay.
Napatawad
I
mo.
have a what if question, and this one is fun. Last week, I asked them about if they won a 397 million peso lotto, anong gagawin nila sa pera?
How much?
397 million
Is
pesos.
that the question now?
Hindi nga. Ngayon, if you knew tomorrow would be the end of the world, so exactly 24 hours from now, what would you do in those 24 hours? Pwede kahit ano.
With the 307? 390?
Hindi, wala na yung pera, wala na yun.
Last
Mema lang yun.
Wala
Joke
na
lang.
yung pera. Grabe naman, sobrang tindi na ng ano. Sige, let's start with Jaime.
Oh.
Okay, siguro first half with my family.
First
Syempre.
12 hours to.
First 12 hours. Sige, syempre like. So pwede kaming mag-travel, whatever. Tapos yung second 12 hours, kikitaan ko na lang crush ko. And then, yun lang. For the
Crush matatapos.
Kikitayin mo lang, hindi ka aamin or something.
Oh,
Ay,
hindi.
kumamin ka na.
End of the world ni.
Kasi 24 hours
Oo nga, no.
12 hours na nga lang.
Pero paano kung ma-attach siya sa akin tapos pag namatay ako, syempre.
Eh di ang
Sa
poetic.
next life.
sa next life. Hanapin ko siya sa next life.
Ito yung literal na multo ka na.
Ito na naman si Multo eh. Sige, aamin ako tapos pag namatay ako sasabihin ko, I'll see you in the next life.
This guy.
Pasensya na.
I will love you in every universe.
Pwede. Sige Naz, take it away.
Ako siguro 24 hours kasama family and friends talaga. Mom and lola tapos yung inner circle ko.
Kasama kami dun.
Yeah. Sige. Sama kayo lahat. Kahit sama nyo yung family nyo. Hi, tito, tita. Yan, sama ko sila. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yun, family and friends talaga. Kasi syempre, sila yung kasama mo when you have nothing. Right? So, it's right lang na sila din yung kasama mo bago matapos yung mundo.
Grabe, yung deep.
Ganda.
Ganda
That
nun.
makes sense.
Nakakakonsensya tuloy yung ginagawa mo sa last 12 hours mo, no?
Sayang yung last 12 hours.
Sabi niya, DJ, pwede bang baguhin mo sa'yo?
Pwede edit? May tape pa dito. Ay,
Wala na, no takesies na. Sige, CJ.
Ako, DJ, parang gagawin ko siguro, uubusin ko na lang yung natitirang pera ko para kasama yung family ko, mag-ikot kami sa buong Batangas City kasi taga doon po kami.
Okay.
Tapos, mamimigay na lang ako ng pagkain sa mga street children.
Pero hindi mo papaalam sa kanila na end of the world na.
Hindi.
Ikaw lang kasi may alam eh.
Ganun po. Pero yung first half of the day, pero yung another half of the day, siguro tatawagan ko na lang, kikitain ko yung mga kaibigan ko tapos magtatanong ako ng mga tanong sa kanila. The hardest conversations. Para before man
Mga
ako
deep.
malis sa mundong to, yun.
Diretsahan eh, no?
Diretsahan.
Bakit mo ko binackstab nung high school?
bakit ako? Nas, ba't mo kayo naway nung taping namin?
Ganyan.
Oh, yan ang dami pang alam, no? Speaking of stories of taping, so we'll have them more talk about these kinds of things. But for now, we're gonna have a quick commercial break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back in just a bit.
Magic 89.9. 9.9.
That's right. It is Magic 89.9. It is now 4:15. This time check is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical, love your eyes. I'm so sorry, guys. I just have to do this really, really quick. By the way, you just heard the ad for the Baguettes the Musical. So catch the opening of Baguettes the Musical starting January 23 at the Newport Performing Arts Theater. So tickets are available now via ticketworld.com.ph, and it is brought to you by Newport World Resorts, the Philippine Star, and Viva Communications. All right, we're doing this. We're giving away again. Sorry, nagano yung mas sa utak ko. We're taking 5 winners, and each winner gets 2 tickets each.
Amazing.
So all you have to do is text your answers on our Viber line. Our Viber line is 0945-971-4011. And my question is, what are the names of the 5 main characters? Naka-ready ka na?
Ready na, ready.
What are the names of the 5 main characters of Baguettes the Musical? Okay, the characters, guys, not the actors, not sila Andres and company, their characters, okay? So message it over on our Viber. It is 0945-971-4011. We're taking in 5 winners, and each winners get 2 tickets each. 2 e-tickets for Baguettes the Musical. Okay, we are back. What's up, CJ, Jaime, and Naz? We're doing the Magic Word Challenge. Ito na talagang pinakingihintay. Sila Ashteen were the first ones to actually do it, and oh my gosh, there were like a bunch of theirs kasi nasabi. Our magic word for today is pwede.
Pwede?
Oo. Hindi. We're clarifying it pa. We're clarifying pa. Pwede. That is the magic word. So from now on, in 3, 2, 1, di na pwede sabihin yon, including me.
Kasi
So ano mong yung gawin?
Start na ba?
Right now.
Bugs.
Okay, yan. So if you say the magic word, there will be theirs. And us 3, or kung sino man yung hindi nagsabi nun.
Nakabahan ako bigla.
tayo mag-isip ng dares for them. So last time people were able to do prank calls. Last time people danced, they choreo, maraming ano sasabihin ko?
So ikaw,
Yeah, included na ako, unfortunately. I have to do that.
Ay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So yun.
Halika dito, DJ, ah.
Oo,
Wait lang.
nire-ready niyo na ako at nagbabasa na tuloy.
Tsaka sobrang generic ng word, ah. Yung,
Oo. Last time nga hindi yung ano. Yung
may question ako.
Ano kaya yun?
Yung, kailangan ba yung word na yun masasabi talaga yung full or
ha?
or
Anong hindi
like-
full nun?
pag kunwari nasabi mo yung yung hanggang
Kunyari,
nakakatakot ka.
kunyari kung ganun lang. Kunyari kung hanggang ganun lang. Pwe. Oh, pwe.
Hindi, okay lang.
Hindi, sabi ko,
Hindi, basta wag niyo lang sabihin, wag niyo sabihin. Tapos in consensus, tayo magde-decide
okay,
para
okay. Group
this sinabi
decision.
mo,
Sige,
sinabi
group
mo.
decision.
Sige,
Okay,
okay, okay,
that's
patas
fine.
tayo doon. Go. Okay, memory lane, 3 weeks na. It's January 22. 3 whole weeks in 2026. Kamusta naman yung first 3 weeks ninyo? Because a lot of things happened all over the world. Pero kayo,
Dami.
like, how was the first 3 weeks? So start with Naz.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Iniisip ko yung word kasi. Wait lang.
Wag na yung isipin. Yung sagot na lang.
Ayoko nga eh. Ayoko nga. Hindi. So, dun sa first 3 weeks na to, super ganda ng 2026 sa akin. Like, super blessed ko talaga. Thank you so much kay Lord. Shout out, Lord. Ano tawag dito? Puro busy taping days, ganyan, ang daming ganap. Yung first mall tour ko, nangyari yun. Yeah, basta I'm super thankful. Super grabe. Kasi before talaga,
Tumal, gano'n.
hindi, before like, wala talaga. Like, I'm always praying lang na, kailan kaya, para sa akin pa ba tong industry na to, ganito, ganyan. Then, siguro yung pinaka-tinuro sa akin is patience talaga. Patience na, wait ka lang.
Oh, in God's timing,
Wait ka
ganyan.
lang.
Amen.
May plan yan. Kasi parang for me, yung pinaka na-gets ko is riniredy ka ni God sa blessing niya. Kasi pag binigay niya ng masyadong maaga, like pwedeng
Hilaw.
masayang. Yeah.
Perfect timing eh.
Perfect timing talaga. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
That's
That's
my
nice.
start of 2026.
That's good. How about you, Jaime?
Well, ako din naman, busy with work, which is something I'm super thankful for ng 2025 kasi parang wala akong masyadong ginagawa. Put your phone down, man. Tapos, ayun, wala tuloy train of thought ko eh. Ginugulo mo ako eh. So, 2025, like, nag-workshop lang ako and then nag-aantay, tapos walang nangyayari. And then nung November, nung nag-sign na ako sa Viva, nakabalance ako ng 2 project. Yeah, so
Sabay, magkasunod yun.
magkasabay yung mga 2 kong project with Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. And then, yun, busy na ako since the start of January. Yun nga, nag-mall show din kami ni Naz. Kasama si
First ever.
CJ. Yeah, first ever ko yun. And then, cast reveal sa other project, which is super great, sa Mafia Boss.
Oh, Mafia Boss.
Right. So, I'm just really thankful, and that's not the difference with 2026 and 2025. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm starting to speak English now because I don't want to say that one bad word that we have.
Sabi ko nga eh. Sila ako rin.
Mag-English
Ay,
na.
isa pa. 2025 di ako marunong mag-Tagalog. Natuto lang ako that year.
Same.
Really. So yeah, yun yung isa ding
Ang hirap
bago.
mag-Tagalog talaga, DJ.
Seryoso ba?
Bakit?
Ano ka ba?
Nihongo kasi yung first language ko eh.
Nasa Japan na palang Batangas.
Hapon?
Hindi totoo yun.
Kailan kumakain yung Japanese?
Doon na muna yung joke. Nauna yung sagot sa
Huli
joke.
ka, boy.
Ayan.
Huli ka, boy.
Pwede na sana.
Yung ano din, yung isa, sa taping kasi, like sinasabi nila, ay pwede ka naman mag-English, pero sabi ko, ay gusto ko talaga Tagalog kami para, appropriate sa book. Right.
So ano mo, wala na.
Nakakapagkabagabag?
Next na.
Mali na.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Yan.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Galing ng hapon.
Hapon ka pa talaga, pre?
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Sige, ikaw CJ. 3 weeks. Yeah, first 3 weeks.
How many weeks? 3 weeks entering into 2026. Feeling ko, nag-start kasi ako ng si DJ nanggugulo.
Oo nga eh.
Sumbong. Ano ang tatay?
Nagsumbong. Ano gagawin ni DJ ko? Hindi. Happy ako kasi nung first day of 2026, may work agad ako. Nag-New Year countdown kami sa isang resort. Ganyan.
Wow!
Tapos, amen. Pero para sa akin, parang this year, I'm gonna be more intentional in counting the blessings, the small ones and the big ones. Kasi parang feeling ko, ang dami kong biyaya noong 2025 na hindi ko masyado natutukan ng pansin. So parang ngayon 2026, I'd like to be more intentional in counting them and collecting them and thanking God for all of them.
Not
Kasi-
taking it for
That's
granted.
good.
No?
not taking things for granted. Kasi parang, pwede mo naman na hindi, na, may nasabi akong word. Hindi na
Focus sa focus
Ano daw? Hindi na pwede, hindi.
Oh, yeah, sinabi ko
wait,
na rin.
I mean, hindi. Ano, confirmation
Wala,
lang.
hindi.
Confirmation
Sabi-
lang. No, nirepeat ko na
sabi
natin.
wala,
No, may-
from now on. Sabi ko rin, from now on, di na talaga pwede. Ay, yeah. Nasabi
Illegal yun ah. Hindi, kinonfirm ko lang eh.
Wala. O, dalawa na kayo, dalawa. Mamaya pag-usapan natin sa
moving
break.
forward, ayan. So, ngayon 2026, mas excited ako kasi tulad ng sinabi ni Nas, doon ako nag-focus doon sa mahirap man siyang gawin yung patience, parang hirap kung isipin parang it's a difficult thing to sustain, pero kung maging patient ka lang talaga sa mga bagay at blessings na darating on your way, you would have the enough amount of confidence to trust your timeline.
Oh.
Tsaka on how you will handle the blessings, di ba?
Oh, tsaka righteous, very righteous siyang pakinggan. Very parang, ano naman ito, very religious, very, di ba? Parang kung pero that's the reality of it. And that's the beauty of it. The waiting, parang there's also blessing in the waiting. Para sa akin. Especially for us in the
imagine kasi kung nagbuhos yun bigla at a point na hindi kayo
Hindi ka
prepared.
ready.
Parang how do you deal with it? What if you mess it up even more?
Yep.
And things like that. So yung timing of it all, sakto lang talaga siya. It was in a way na you were all in the right headspace, you were patient enough, and tara.
Parang magugulat ka bigla na. Parang bigla kang magugulat na you're meeting the right people, no?
At the right
At
time.
the right time.
Grabe, bigatin words.
Oo nga eh, paano
Pero
kung-
feeling ko dapat aware ka din sa mga taong pinapapasok mo sa life mo at sa mga taong i-eliminate mo sa life mo ngayong taon.
Okay.
At dahil dyan,
Bakit
nasabi
may-
niyo yung word.
Hindi! Kasi, di ba, Kevin? Tama naman!
Hanap kampi siya. Okay, I love the conversation. And before I head on over with Dream, sige, let's do this. I want to ask first, since parang kakastart lang yung blessings dumating, and then sa'yo rin, sakto this year, and then you at the end of the year, no? What are your dream roles and projects ba with Viva? Like, ano yung mga gusto nyo pang pasukan more in the future? Let's start with CJ.
Ako. Actually, pag-usapan namin ito nila kanina. Pero, I have, let's say, 2 roles na gusto ko talaga ma-achieve. Number 1 is someone who is psychologically challenged, mentally challenged, ganyan. So, feeling ko
It's hard.
it's hard, but the harder it is, the more that I wanna do it. Para
Kasi
challenge
fulfilling di ba? Pag nagawa mo yung ano.
Oo.
In a way na it's taken with care. Hindi mo siya ginawa
It's taken with care.
ng basta-basta lang.
Tsaka, magiging ka talaga, book-based.
Oh, yeah.
So, para wala lang discrepancies when it comes to like, yung mga stereotyping ng mga tao ngayon with how the mentally ill people are doing, di ba? So, I wanna give highlight to them also, and I wanna give justice, of course, sa roles na yun. And another project is yung parang coming of age, barkada film. Parang gusto ko
Light
maging
lang, no?
siguro let's say, 5 lalaki,
Papuntang LU.
girls and boys,
Road
going
trip
through
na,
life, yes.
Tapos nag-end of the world. Parang yung...
End of the world na pasok
But lagi drastic yung ending.
Sorry,
Oh my
ibang
God.
coming of age pala. End
Parang
of the...
Wattpad talaga eh. End of the world.
Okay, yeah. Those are nice. Those are... Actually, I'm looking forward to those. Okay. Hopefully. How about you, Jaime?
Ako naman, well, I'm very blessed with what I have right now. Pero eventually, I want to do romance na yung girl din may affection towards sa akin sana. Sana.
May nagsabi nga dito sa Twitch eh. Sabi niya, ano ba daw yan? 3 letters.
3 letters?
Mu daw.
Oh, si Mu! Oh,
Yeah,
tama, si
Mu.
Mu. Ako yun, character ko yun sa Mafia Boss.
okay.
Character yun sa Mafia Boss.
Akala ko yung crush.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi pala.
Bakit name drop sa
Pero-
work?
Kasama sa work.
Pero, future project I plan on hoping to be part of. May pinag-aaralan ng character sa Dating Alice Perez. Di ko na sasabihin kung sino, pero hopefully if the stars align, Diba? If the stars
Oo.
align and I'm blessed enough to be given the opportunity. Binabasa ko na yung book Binabasa ko na yung book. I'm taking notes para mabigay justice ko once the audition for it comes out.
Okay. So at least you know na at least prepared ka when
Dapat lang in this field of work, madami tayong competition eh.
Oo nga pala,
Ito yung mga
competitive
katabi
ka
ko
pala.
eh.
Sorry kami lang.
Ito yung mga katabi ko, competition ko yung mga to eh.
Nakatingin na ako dyan.
Tatawa si Sino. Honest na nga ako dito.
Ilalabas ko na yung
Ano ka ba?
Pero ngayon, friends ko sila.
Ngayon lang.
On screen.
Ilalabas
on
ko na
mic.
yung kontrabida ko dito.
Oh, speaking of kontrabida, okay. Like other dream roles, kasi kontrabida ka naman na di ba?
Yeah.
Not in real life, not in real
Not
life.
in real life though. Yeah. But me, personally naman, any role talaga, aaralin ko, like, no matter how small, no matter how big, I would give the same effort lagi. I'll give 100% to my job. Pero if payagan, ang gusto kong role talaga is drama. Heavy drama sa family. Family. Yeah. I wanna, yung batuhan, tapos kasama mo mga veteran actors.
I think you would nail that.
Tapos yung ano talaga, parang mala 7 Sundays, parang tapos, bakit kasi? Ganon. Oh.
Paano yung DJ?
Hindi, baka mahanap ako eh.
Baka ma-discover.
Hindi. Baka naman,
May ano ka ba? Like, veteran actor na gusto mong maka-work?
Yeah.
Sino yung vlog mo? Napabasa ko utang mo eh.
Meron ka bang isang veteran actor na nasa isip mong gusto mong kasama?
Sino ba yung
sige,
gusto
sige.
mong sabihin ko?
Kahit sino.
Oo nga.
This is open forum.
Pwede ba sagutin yun, DJ?
Oo, sige, go.
ikaw
Actually,
muna.
kung meron ba kayo
Ako?
dream veteran actors you wanna work
Ayan,
with?
yan. Sige.
Sige,
Ikaw na.
let's go with Naz.
John Arcila talaga.
Oh,
classic.
General Luna, no? Para
My
mumurahin ka
gosh.
niya. Oh, hindi pwede
Kasi
yun.
Bawal.
Kasi yung meron siyang interview before na parang yung pinractice niya yung what they call this, basta yung emotion, ang bilis niyang nalabas. Like, on command.
Yeah.
Like, imagine working with that actor. For sure, you will learn a lot.
For sure.
Like, the craft na, syempre, ang dami niya ng tinry eh. What works, what doesn't work, what works. Parang ganun eh. Like, he can save you a lot of the pitfalls eh. Gets mo?
Yeah.
Parang kung paano kanya tuturuan.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Sana. Hopefully.
Hi, Sir John Arcila, baka naman daw.
Baka naman.
Kung nakikinig po kayo ng Sir
Oo
John.
nga. Lahat daw kami.
Follow niyo sa IG.
At nazi SJ lang.
shoot a DM naman daw.
Sure, DM. Ikaw.
Babasa ko lang.
Ako naman si... hindi siya veteran, pero kilala niyo siya for sure.
Sino siya?
Sa Star sa Hell You. Kilala niyo si Andre Eliana. Yeah. Kilala niyo?
Sobrang veteran yun.
Hindi, sabi ko nga di masyadong
Andre?
veteran, pero like matagal na siya sa
Ano si Mele?
industry, yeah. So gusto ko
Isa
siyang...
na yun, di ba?
Ay!
Oh, Eliana rin siya.
Ay, ngayon mo lang nag-gets, bro.
This guy. My God. This guy.
Kakainis.
Pero yun nga, kasi... magaling yung acting niya sa mata eh. Like,
Actually.
di ba? So,
Totoo, serious ba yan?
Hindi ko lang kung seryoso tuloy siya. Parang siyang seryoso
DJ, parang
naman.
nagjo-joke.
hindi, seryoso ako. Gusto ko siya maka-work.
Hindi, kung gusto naman niya, sino ba naman tayo para
Sino ba naman
pigilan
tayo?
siya?
Yeah.
Oo.
Sino ba
Dream ano ko yun?
Andre is Andre.
Who's your dream veteran?
Name?
Oh, yeah.
Naka-message ko sa kanina sa Viber. Sabi niya, sige, let's work on that. Timothy Chalamet. Yeah. Oh.
Wait, nagtatagalog pala siya. Sa bagay, Japanese ka nga pala.
Alam mo, hindi na ako maniniwala.
Hindi kasi kanina nag-message ako, sabi ko, oy, mag-guest ako ngayon, baka naman you can watch. Sabi niya, sige, may attendan lang akong awards night. Pero
Sabi niya, Tagalog.
he's gonna watch the replay.
Nagtagalog siya?
Hindi ko na lang ma-verbatim eh. Pero yun yung
Nagpe-French
sinabi ni
daw.
Timothy. Pero yung
Shout out sa'yo.
Wee CJ.
yung serious answer, ano po? JLC, John Lloyd Cruz. Kasi,
Good answer.
kasi feeling ko, I like his nuances. I like how, yung acting niya, it's not acting. It's more of like, how are you gonna do it in the real life setting? So, at saka ang ganda rin nung tono ng boses niya eh. Parang aside from the face and the body work, the voice intonation
Madadala ka,
is oo talaga. Kasi, ko, John Lloyd Cruz talaga is John Lloyd Cruz eh. So, Sir John Lloyd.
Baka naman.
Follow. Ito, nakalagay po
Ano po? CJ Williams.
Ayan yung mga ano na social media. For those watching over on Facebook Live and Twitch.tv, you can follow them. There's their handles. That's at CJ Villasencio. Hi Miliana and at Nazi
SJ.
SJ with a bunch of Y's and 2 Z's. Okay, so we'll take a quick break. Right after this, we'll go back and talk about behind the scenes stories. A lot of fun ones here on today's Best Music. We're Magic 89.9. Don't go anywhere.
Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. These boys, inuubos na yung words na yung magic word that we can't say. Right now, if we're counting, it is only Naz who hasn't said it on air. I told him off air, we could say it. O, di ba? Pati ako napa-English bigla eh. Ano ako eh. Again, we're bumping the Baguettes the Musical ticket giveaway starting January 23, which is tomorrow. That is amazing. Tickets are available now via ticketworld.com.ph. It is brought to you by Newport World Resorts, the Philippine Star, and Viva Communications. We're giving away 2 tickets each to 5 winners. Right now, we have 4. So 1 more pair of tickets to go. Just text it over on Viber. That is 0945-971-4011. The question is, what are the names of the 5 main characters of Baguettes the Musical? Not the names of the cast, but the characters, guys. Okay, the characters. All right, so get a chance to win a pair of tickets. 0945-971-4011 over on Viber. It is time for more stories while we figure out the dares that we will be doing. Behind the scenes stories. You have started shoots, right?
For both series,
Yes, for both
Golden
series.
Scenery and My Husband is a Mafia Boss.
Kayong dalawa, like,
Ano yan? Sorry, kinakabahan ako bigla sa din.
nasabi mo naman eh. So,
Hindi, kasi
Okay,
yung
sorry.
dare niya.
Hindi, ikaw din yung
Ikaw yung
tinatanong.
You were asking DJ.
Hindi, nagkaroon na kayo ng behind the scenes, di ba? Shoots. This one is for some of your fans, no?
Yeah.
I want them to know like a little bit of something in there. What were like your funniest takes, bloopers, or unforgettable, embarrassing moments that you guys could remember on the top of your mind that either happened to you or na-witness nyo?
Wala ba akong isip ko?
Co-stars, ganun.
Sa GSOT? Sa Golden Scenery?
Any. Actually, any talaga. Like may moment ba na gumagawa ng take tapos nadulas or something?
Meron kaso, bawal ko pa. Hindi.
Bawal mo sabihin. Pwede mo sabihin na na-aksidente tuloy.
May sagot ako kung wala.
Ay, ikaw muna. Go. You go first, my guy.
Sa GSOT kasi, kung di nyo alam, di ba yung character ni Dan, nakikita siya sa episode 8 to 12. Lahat ng eksena ko doon, sinunod ko isang
Ay, sorry.
araw.
Nasabi mo na nga rin pala, kakasabi lang din natin.
Alin?
Sabi mo, hindi mo alam kung sabihin.
Oo nga.
So, nasabi na natin lahat tayo mag-ganon there. Anyways, go on,
So
Ivy.
yun nga, like lahat ng eksena ko doon, ginawa ko lang sa isang araw. So,
One day?
Yeah, 1 day lang. So, nung lumabas ako sa episode 8 ng 3 minutes lang, nagbabash sila, sinasabi nila, ay, ba't ito yung kinuha nila? Yeah, at first. Kasi wala pa.
Di ba, ako matatakot
Wait lang,
ko,
ganun
marinig ko
talaga
yun.
yung sabi nila. Narinig mo
Kasi-
sila?
Technical mo naman.
Kasi wala pa akong acting na pinakita. Pero nung umabot na sa dulo,
Sorry.
nagustuhan naman nila ng konti. Like, nagbago na yung mga isip nila. Pero yung nakakatawa dun, parang every week inaabangan ko sana magustuhan nila kasi na-tape ko na. And then, yun nga, kabado ako kasi si Dan medyo maingay siya, talkative. So, ang dami kong lines na memorize on the day itself. Tapos, may eksena akong isa, like, paiyak na ako. Sabi ko, ay, di ko kaya. Ay, pero sobrang patient ni Direct sa akin. So, I'm very...
Si Direct
Diba?
Victor,
Diba?
the best. No?
Lahat kami makaka-agree doon.
Shoutout direct.
Shoutout sa'yo,
Shoutout
si
sa'yo,
Direct.
Direct.
I miss
Lagi
you
mainit
na.
ulo niyan sa ex.
I miss you,
Ba't
Direct.
may nilik?
Kaaway niya kasi yung mga Wilbers.
Yung mga ano?
Mga Wilbers. Hindi,
Okay.
patawa lang yun.
Okay, akala ko literal na.
Yung hindi niya siniship.
Inabahan kayo, no?
Akala ko may di tayo sabihin. We're not allowed to say something, ganyan. Okay.
Pero yeah, yun nga. Sobrang bait ni Direct sa akin. He gave me the freedom to be able to be comfortable. Kaya thank you sa GSOT fam. Thank you for welcoming me.
Nice.
Ano kaya?
Oh, ayan
G-Sot.
o. Iiyak na yan.
Thank you for this life-changing opportunity.
Kayo, Naz, CJ, like anything on the top of your mind?
Ako, first ever first ever project ko was AMSE.
Oh.
So, yeah, super. Yung eksena ko doon is yung aanuhin ko si Ashton, yung hahawakan ko siyang ganon. Like, super, for me kasi, I lift weights. Right?
So,
I lift weights,
easy
I lift
lang
heavy
sa'yo.
weights, yeah. So, like, super gaan lang kasi ni Ashton. So, syempre first ko yun, first ever acting experience ko yun.
Buhat agad.
Yeah, tas ulit. So, hindi ko alam kung anong amount of force yung kailangan kong exert para like maano siya.
Yeah.
Nung una, like sige.
So, ano mo siya?
Ang lakas. Nagulat din ako na parang kasi pipilag gaganon siya dun. So, ganun. Every after cut, like, sorry talaga ako ng sorry. Kasi
Hindi mo na-expect na magaan siya.
Hindi ko kasi na-expect na magaan siya.
Nagulat ka naman, tumilapon na lang siya. Sorry.
Hindi. Superpowers, hindi naman.
Sorry, ako sasakisame ka na. Sorry, balikan tayo mamaya.
Ayun, so every time, like, pag ganun, kasi syempre pinalaki lang ako ng, late, babae lang sa family. So, hindi talaga ako nananakit ng girl. So, yung hirap na hirap akong i-control. So, every after cut ni Direk, sorry ako ng sorry. Yeah. Ay, meron pa palang isa. Okay lang?
Go lang.
Game.
Yung isang nakakatawang experience ko naman, kasi syempre, first take mo, like, super kabado kayo, no?
Yeah.
Nanginginig ako nun, ganyan. Yung eksena nun, maghaharap muna si Kiefer, si Andres, tsaka si Alex, si Kiko sa baba. So may line. So mauna sila Andres nun. Tapos papasok sa door sila Kiko. Tapos ako, kasi yung role ko dun, maya-maya bigla akong papalakpak. Di ba yung pasok ko?
Evil palakpak.
So, kasi yung funny. So, makasok si Andres, bang, ganyan. Bigla akong pumalakpak. Bang, di pa pumapasok si Kiko. May lines pa sila. Kasi na ako nun, kinakabahan na ako nun eh. Cut! Sabi ni Direk, cut! Ay, pumalakpak pala ako. Di sabi ni Direk, ba't ka pumalakpak? Sabi ko gano'n siya. Ay, sorry Direk, sorry po ganun. Pero super light nila ka-work. So, after nun, yun na, nagsunod-sunod na. Naging, lahat sila super bait nila ka-work. Super professional. Like,
No, that's
tulungan
nice.
talaga nila yung
Yeah.
artist. Like, bago ako ganun. So, they helped me a lot. And yeah.
Sabay-sabay aangat, no? Hindi siya lamangan, gano'n.
Exactly. Yun. So,
Sabay sa paglipad ng eroplano.
Youngstana. Youngstana to ah. So yun
Bigla ka na sa salita, gano'n.
DJ, pasensya yung intrusive thoughts ka kasi.
Hindi niya makontrol.
No, I get it. Minsan, yung intrusive thoughts ko rin na nanalo.
Yun, so basically, yun yung pinaka nakakatawa sa... So far. Yun yung pinaka nakakatawa sa...
How about you, CJ?
Ako, alam mo na may mental block ako ngayon, pero feeling ko na lang, excited namin ni Naz sa Jason. Yeah. Sa Golden Scenery. Wow, laugh na laugh.
Laugh na laugh.
Sobrang nagla-laugh. DJ, oh.
Nakwento na kasi sa akin.
Tawan-tawa siya.
Okay, so,
paalam naman.
So, direct, meron kasi doon scene na parang,
Gusto nyo i-sample mamaya?
Pakita natin.
Sige, yun na lang. Actually,
Okay na kami,
alam mo,
DJ.
yun yung dare para sa kanilang dalawa. I-reenact nyo dyan.
Sige, pwede.
I-reenact nyo dyan after we talk about it. So, you talk about it now, then you guys reenact it there.
sige. So, anyway, ang scene nun, parang tinapon niya kasi yung lunchbox ni Via, tapos natapon yung mga pagkain, ganyan. So, siya naman parang very bad guy kasi si Naz dun sa series na yun. Tapos ako naman, savior ako at syempre, I was trying to be a good guy para kay Via. Ganyan. So, pasok si Press. Ganyan. The moment na itatapikin niya sana yung tubigan, ginanon ko yung kamay niya. So, ako, parang kay drama vibe ba na parang, ang line ko nun, bitawan mo yan.
Takot ako nun ha.
Tapos sabi ko pa nun, siyempre nakakalat na yung pagkain sa floor. Sabihin ko nun, pupulot naman, papakain ko yan sa'yo.
Grabe!
Tignan yung pag
Ganun yung So parang, na-build na yung parang, wow, yung sa scene, parang, grabe naman sa scene siya, sobrang superhero vibe niya, grabe si Press. Tapos, okay na kami nun. 6'2" height, DJ.
Para lang aware yung lahat, no? He used to be a basketball player, tapos 6'2", di ba?
Yes, hindi naman sa 5'5". So, okay na ako dun sa tight shot ni Direk na kamay. Parang na-build na, wow, si Press, si Nave, si Via, thank you, you're the best Press ever, ganyan. Hanggang sa si Direk Victor, wide shot.
Oh, may wide shot nga, no?
Finol body shot ni Direk Victor Kakiba Villanueva. Nakita kung gaano
Pakita
kalaki
natin,
ang
pakita
difference. Wag na, Naz.
So parang ano siya, parang
yung there.
parang may pag na-misinterpret siya, ano to, magde-date sila or yun mag-ama? Sorry.
Wow. Parang dad
Papunta po tayo sa
Kevin, si baka last guest ng ko dito.
Hindi, balik ka.
Hindi tayo babalik.
Ide-demo nyo ngayon.
Yun yung
Parang
demo.
ganito
Yung
siya.
demo nyo eh.
Kita naman, ipo-full screen naman yan na
Gusto niyo
direct
dala
namin
mic nyo?
dito.
So,
Ay, wag po hindi abot. Oh, yan. So, dinademo, ganyan.
Ay, wait, sorry.
Oh, si Jaime,
Kita ako sa shot eh.
sige.
Oh, yan.
DJ, pwede ko mag-lights camera.
Oh, sige, okay.
Let's say, di ba, natapon ko na.
Ay, wait, this is not my angle.
Ikaw na lang daw yung pagkain, Jaime.
Ay, sige.
Sige, siya na sa floor.
Oh, ayan, siya na yung pagkain. Boogs, nahulog, and action.
Kasi anoan ko pa siya na.
Oh, nahulog yung pagkain. Pinigilan CJ.
Pitawan mo yan.
Oh,
Pulutin mo yung papakain ko yan sa'yo.
grabe.
Kita mo yung tingala ko, DJ? Kita mo? Kita mo yung
Oo,
tingala
ang ganda
ko,
nga ng
diba?
jawline mo eh. Talagang
Hawakan mo yung kamay ko.
angat na angat eh.
Yan.
Ito, tinnight shot ni Direk.
Oo, okay. Nakikita ko ngayon. Sabi ko,
Wide shot ni
Tapos
Direk.
nandito yung, nandito.
Oo.
Grabe.
no, like you guys want to see yourselves there? Ayun, okay.
Move on na tayo, Direk. May next question ka pa, di ba, Direk?
Cut na. Okay.
Ayun. Kainis?
Yun na pala yung pinaka, mo?
That was funny. Okay, that was funny. All right, let's talk about GSOT, no? What is GSOT all about? I've seen the trailer of it last year, and kinilig talaga ako. I was like, I wanna watch this, and then I've been seeing. Nagkaroon kasi ng Classmate Saver Bundle yung Viva, diba, last December.
yes.
So kinuha ko yung 3 months. Anyways,
Thank you.
baka naman.
Baka naman.
Stream legally.
Extended na daw. Oh. Anong extended?
Yung,
Extended siya until the end or hanggang Feb na? Feb.
speaking of
diba?
extensions, yung series din na-extend.
Oh?
Yeah,
Ay,
for
oo,
extra
oo.
4 episodes.
Extra episode.
Yeah.
This,
Yeah.
21, ay.
Yeah, March.
Oo.
March, first week
ilan
of
din? The first
4
week of
episodes.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oh, yun, diba?
So, ilan na siya? Ilang episode?
Pinagbilang.
Parang 132 episodes na daw.
Wait, let's
Parang
not
ano
give
yan,
them expectations.
Ayan na.
Oh, anyways.
Mga
ayan,
200.
So that's a lot of episodes, and I want you, like, for the listeners who wants to, who are interested in it, like, what is G's all about?
Alam nyo, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow is a story of parang childhood love and growing up together, and how are you guys gonna overcome the many factors out there in the world na pwede maka-apekto sa relationship yung dalawa. Kasi it's a very beautiful story because although lahat ng story sa Univercada maganda, for me, GSOT has a sweet spot in my heart because dito kasi nagsimula lahat ng
Tsaka nandito
Yeah,
tayo.
oo.
yes, the origin of everything. Parang
The
dito-
Genesis.
yes.
The Big Bang.
Yep.
Lahat na
The
hanapan
Big
na
Bang
natin
Theory.
lahat.
In the beginning.
It all started in GSOT. Parang mula sila sa high school and then getting their first jobs. And
Careers
then,
and all,
careers,
yeah.
falling in love. And then how
It's a real story
It's
talaga.
a real story. And yung parang pinaka-gist nito in a nutshell is that si Via at si Arken, they're good childhood friends. Tapos, ang stipulation nito,
Stipulation.
Played by Miss Bea Binene and
Yes.
Sir Wilbert Ross.
Si Bea, andun sa all her life para kay Wilbert. Tapos, nung nag-artista na si Wilbert ng tuluyan, at may siniship na sa kanyang iba, parang binash si Via. Tapos parang si Via, parang all her life sinusuportahan ko siya. Tapos ako ngayon yung nasasaktan.
Binabash, oo.
Binabash. Thinking na I'm just another girl.
Kabit daw siya.
So yun yung,
Kabit daw
isa
siya.
yung till now, no? Yan yung till now.
Yes.
That's what's currently going on.
Mas-
Ito si,
siya,
ito si
lalo
ano,
ngayon.
diba? Ito si
Clea.
Ashley.
Clea.
Si
Clea.
Clea,
Oh, yeah.
yes. That is
Oo.
right.
Okay. Now I'm even more interested because it's so timely.
It
It's
is.
so timely,
Ano siya?
diba?
High school, college, present life.
Yeah,
In this day and age na parang yung love team culture talaga is something that Filipinos really take personally.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang siguro it's about time to spark up a conversation na
Parang, hey, medyo
Hey, yeah.
sobra na tayo,
Yeah,
ganyan.
yeah, yeah.
Maybe we have to revisit, diba? Like, these people are entitled to their own lives.
Tsaka for me, kaya ako siya na-appreciate din. Kagaya nung sabi ni CJ, ano siya, syempre 'di ba yung Reign in España,
Yes.
yung 'di ba magkaka-connect siya. Parang yung
Multiverse.
Yeah, parang yung golden scenery of tomorrow. Doon mo kasi ano nga ba yung origins ng mga magkakaibigan?
Yes.
'Di ba? Kung paano nabuo 'yun, kung paano
Dynamics nila.
Kaya imagine like kudos din talaga dun sa mga actors na nagplay, like napamukha nila like paano nag-start, 'di ba? Syempre fifth book na 'yan eh.
Yes.
'Di ba? So isipin mo yung series na dinaanan, may Reign in España, Save Skies Archer,
Chasing in the
Chasing in the
Wild,
Wild,
Avenues of the
Avenues
Diamond,
Scenery of
Gisot.
Tomorrow.
And all of the books are beautiful on their own, style.
Yeah.
But I'm also excited, syempre after the GSAT era, Oya is next, Our Yesterday's Escape. And then-
That's a direct ano, or
Tas
is
gagawa
within
na
the
daw
same
si,
author?
si
creator?
PJ.
Same author, sixth
Yes.
book.
Tapos gagawa na daw si PJ and si ano ata?
Sino ka love team ni
Yeah,
ni
mag-tease.
Sebastian? Ay, ano pangalan mo? Hayes? Hayes ba yan?
Yeah,
si
si
Chevy.
Si Chevy.
Si
The
Sherry
Ace.
and si Hayes.
Yes.
Uy, ang ganda nung, guys, pag di nyo pa napanood yung ginawa ni CJ na nag-viral na video nila, ang ganda nun.
Hoy, yung yung sa ano to? Nalimutan ko, napanood ko eh.
Ganda nun.
No, it was I saw it on X.
Sa amin ni Ash kasi,
Oh,
sabi
yeah,
ko
that
ni Ash
one.
din,
Naunahan mo daw yung trend. Ikaw ang trendsetter.
surprisingly,
Oo.
kasi ginawa namin, mahilig kasi ako gumawa po ng ganong content, yung parang music video type.
Tapos HD quality, ang ganda.
Oo, ang ganda ng editing.
Oh my God, I'm hyping you up.
For those
I'm
who don't know,
hyping you
it's a OPM song to eh.
Ale.
Oo.
Ikaw nag-start ng trend nun?
Ha?
Ikaw nag-start nun?
No, he was doing it before it became a trend.
Ayoko siyang
Oh,
gawing
wow.
i-claim.
I-claim mo na.
Yun ba yung ginamit yun ni PJ?
Saan?
Na, yung, alam mo yung video na ginawa niyo ni PJ? yung,
This Guy's in Love with the Time.
Ayun! That's what I'm talking
It's a
about.
different beast. Pero yung ginawa namin ni Ashton,
beast.
Ale. So, parang music video siya, ganyan. Tapos, recently, natawa ako kasi parang nag-viral siya sa
it's
TikTok yung sound
yeah,
na gamit.
oo.
So, parang sabi ko,
Dude, ginawa ko din.
Ako lang to. Sorry.
Ginawa namin yan.
Ako lang to, guys. Sorry ah.
Oh, si Jaime gumagawa ng sarili niyang trend, di ba?
Pa-edit na lang.
With audio daw.
Palagay na lang ng audio.
Okay. We were talking about GSWAT and we're pressed with time. I'll do quick questions for you guys. Is there anything that you're thankful for with GSWAT that opened doors for you guys? Let's start with Naz.
Ami?
Yeah.
Okay. Super dami na sobrang thankful ko sa series na to, and of course sobrang thankful ko sa bosses ng Viva for giving me an opportunity to showcase my talent. Grabe yung hype din kasi nitong GSOT, super nadala din kami. Hindi lang hindi lang si Bea, hindi lang si Wilbert, but all of the casts that are involved, it helped us tremendously.
Yeah.
Syempre, makikita ng mga casting director nag blow up siya, so we can check him out, ganito. So sobrang thankful ko talaga sa series na to. And syempre kay Boss Vic, kay Boss Ninj, kay Boss Veronic, kay Boss Val sa opportunity. Yeah, that's it.
Ako naman, I'm thankful na they trusted me with this kasi syempre GSOT yung ratings ang taas.
Yeah.
Yeah, bagong actor. Tapos isa din sa thankful ako na wala na yung kaba ko as an actor. Like nakapunta na ako sa taping na confident na ako with my skills na I can deliver what I need to deliver. Thankful din ako na yun nga, binigay na lang ng pagkakataon kasi matagal ko na tong pinaghihirapan eh. Syempre, bata pa lang ako, ito na talaga dream ko. So once they finally gave me the opportunity and greenlit me for a role that's this important to the story.
Yeah.
The hype, no?
The hype din.
And now you have another one, di ba?
Yes, actually sabay ko sila nakuha at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I auditioned
You deserve it.
I auditioned it
So nung reveal, nung press con, nandun ka?
for Mafia
Actually,
Boss.
for
Actually,
Yes.
magkasama kami.
Oh, andun kayo both, no?
Hindi
Ay,
ako sa press con. Ibang.
Yeah,
kasi
pero-
nangyari yun nung habang nandito sila, nagsabay nga eh. Nakatawa nga eh.
Sino nandito?
Sila Ashton.
Ito na.
So yeah, yun nga. Yung sa cast reveal ng Mafia Boss, I was there na. Nalaman ko na since November na I got the role.
Okay.
So nakapag-prepare ako. I was reading the book. binigay ko lang yung justice. Nag-search ako sa mga Facebook page. Sumasali ako sa mga Facebook page, like Mafia Boss Facebook page. Nabasa ko yung mga comments nila.
Yung mga fans, no?
legit.
Yung mga ano
Legit,
talaga.
kasi syempre, di
Crazy
naman nila
for it.
alam.
Tsaka yun yung trabaho natin to give the
Justice.
justice
Yeah.
to fans,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so binabasa ko yung mga gusto nila, gustong mangyari, mga interactions, yung mga favorite lines. So like nasa idea ko na like yung mga mannerisms, yung mga scenes na importante na baka tinanggal sa script pero ilalagay ko na lang i-adlib, diba? So I'm really working hard to make it a good
Yeah, because
project.
for a lot of fans, mas important sa kanila other than the text is yung headcanon nila. It's like how they envision yung ganito. Kaya like we have cases like, eto guys, disclaimer lang, hindi kami masamang tao. Like, with The Little Mermaid, yung recent, the live action, a lot of people got mixed reactions kasi they were like, no, in my mind, ganito si
That's
Ariel,
right,
diba?
that's right.
So it's nice that you guys are doing your yung research nyo talaga, the dedication to the craft
it's
to it.
part of our job.
Oo, yun talaga.
Yeah, it's what we are getting paid to do. Right?
Hindi naman pwede, baliwala
Ini-English ko
lang
na,
eh.
parang hindi ko masabing word. Asa na sabi ko?
Hindi naman pwede, baliwala lang, tapos pupunta sa set. Yan, nasabi niyo na kanina pa eh. So,
Magti-TikTok na lang tayo mamaya.
yeah.
Sige, ikaw CJ.
Ako naman, tama yung sinabi ni Jaime na parang when it's gonna be an adaptation, there is a specific mold na sa mga utak ng mga readers natin. When we say readers, they want the best for what they've read. So, with GSOT, ang laking blessing niya po sa akin because FYI, I started out as an host sa Viva and then dito sa GSAT nabigyan ako ng opportunity to show what I really love doing, what I really like doing, what's really close to my heart. And nung ang GSAT, ang laking blessing niya kasi ang dami ring naambunan ng mga tao sa paligid niya. Hindi lang, of course, hindi lang yung mga bida, si Wilbert, si Bea. Yung mga tao din na gumanap
Lahat
ng mga side characters, lahat minahal ng tao. At least for me, parang nung na-reveal po ako sa Chevy, sobrang happy ko sa response ng mga tao kasi lahat sila they were celebrating.
They
Siguro,
love you.
Amen,
They love
sana.
you.
Pero siguro ito yung parang tamang timing na dinabigay ni Lord. Na parang as a host, binibigyan ako ng microphone. Dito naman as an actor, binibigyan ako ng script. And I believe pareho ko siyang nahawakan ng ayos. And it's still a long journey para puro sa akin. And I'm happy how it's starting to look like. And 2026 sana, masami pa yung projects namin. Diba? So, I think sana from GSOT manganak siya ng marami-rami pang proyekto.
True.
Para, alam mo yun, as artists who strive to do our best, magtuloy-tuloy siya.
Exactly.
I love the conversation. Sobrang hindi siya deep like people would say na parang wow, ang wholesome ganyan.
Yeah.
But it's
the honest.
completely genuine and honesty. And we're giving advices to a lot of people. Of course, there's a lot of people looking up to you guys. Believe it or not.
Yeah.
There's like, oh, I want to be like CJ Jaime and Naz, like ganito sila every time they watch your or when they see you hosting yung mga series nyo, or even before pa nung when you mentioned that you were a basketball player. So you guys are amazing, and
Thank you.
we really are pressed for time. This is the moment for you guys to take the time to plug your shows, anything. Start with sige, CJ.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm CJ Villavicencio, aka Acel Shalvea Peña sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. I'm inviting guys to please stream legally. It's still out sa Viva One. We're on our 14th episode, Gevs. 14th episode at na-extend siya up until the first week of March. So there's more time for you guys to love it some more.
Exactly.
Okay guys, I'm Jaime Iliana, also in Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. Please stream it legally on Viva One. Actually, na-extend siya until sa second week ng March.
Second week.
March 7.
Tapos sasabihin ko third week.
March 7.
Tama,
First
March
week.
7.
Tapos
Yeah,
ako
March 7.
sasabihin ko third week kasi first, second.
And including that, please support My Husband is a Mafia Boss, the upcoming series. Viva One, I'll be playing Nico Jace Young. And in character na talaga ako for that role.
Yeah.
Medyo malaki yung ganap niya. So I'm really gonna do my best to give it to you guys properly. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm building a following. I hit
Yeah.
10,000 on TikTok.
Grabe!
Yeah,
Ay, hindi ko na promote ako at CJ Villavicencio.
At TikTok na guys.
my
At TikTok, Super CJV.
Okay, Naz.
Wait.
Ay, sige.
Jaime Iliana _ on TikTok and Instagram.
This guy.
Salamat sa clarification.
This guy. So, ako naman, hi, my name is Naz Gabriel San Juan and I'm playing Lance Magbanwa in Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. Like what they said, please stream it legally kasi syempre it will help us as well na magkaroon pa ng madaming projects. So, pag in-stream nyo legally,
More budget.
more budget, more books na ilalabas.
Yes.
Then more projects pa. We can showcase pa our talent. And yun lang, I would like to thank you guys for the support lagi sa not just for me but for Jaime and for supporting.
Yeah. Tsaka ito yung support
CJ
na
as
dapat
well.
i-acknowledge. Kasi
Yeah, super.
they're really into it. Like they really
you,
want the
guys.
best for Golden Scenery of Tomorrow when it comes to promotion, marketing, lahat.
Yung
Kaya-
first small tour nga natin.
Oo nga, yung first
Grabe.
more. Grabe, 4 floors.
Grabe.
Punong-puno.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, and please follow me on Instagram and then TikTok at NaziSJ. Ito
Yun, no?
Yeah, it's down here for those watching on Facebook Live and also on Twitch. Ayan yung socials nila. Follow them and shower them with love. Thank you so much, guys. Sobrang bitin. Hopefully next time, come back please. Balik kayo
Request us.
Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
request
nagsasabi
us
ako.
ulit. Mamaya,
Nagsasabi ako
tara,
bumalik. Halos lahat sinasabi ko, please balik kayo. Please, please, please.
Mamaya, 1 a.m.
No, pero specifically request.
Oh, sige.
This guy.
We'll be there for
This
you.
guy.
Promise.
This guy,
This
talaga.
guy.
Sige, para
This
sa'yo.
guy.
Para sa'yo. Okay. O, pwede na sabihin. O, pwede na. Tapos na eh. Pwede na.
Pwede, pwede.
Okay. Time to say goodbye. It is now 5 p.m. which means it is now 5 p.m. OPM. Catch the replay over on facebook.com/magic899. And that is it for us. Time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
And
Bye,
guys,
guys.
bye-bye. Thank you.
Magic 89.9. Magic 89.9.